It is important for you to know that several education loan schemes are offered by the Bank of Baroda. The maximum loan available to you is 1.5 crores, given that it includes more than 400 institutions. The loan amount you receive covers various expenses. Did you know Bank of Baroda ranked amongst top 3 public sector banks for disbursing abroad education loans, with a substantial disbursement of nearly 1,150 crore rupees, supporting more than 9,000 Indian students. I am Jainesh Sinha, and in this video, I am not only going to talk about the advantages of taking an education loan from the Bank of Baroda, but I will cover every aspect of Bank of Baroda's education loan, like loan amount, interest rate, eligibility, application process, and much more. So let's start. First things first, it is important for you to know that several education loan schemes are offered by the Bank of Baroda. And in this video, we are going to talk about the scheme which is called Baroda Scholar, which is specifically developed to help Indian students study abroad. Bank of Baroda offers both secured and unsecured education loans, but it is preferred for more secured education loans due to the loan amount. In the case of an unsecured education loan, the loan amount can only go up to 7.5 lakh rupees, which is very small. But for a secured education loan, it can go up to 1.5 crores. Now, the bank has developed a list of premium institutes, and the institutes that do not come on that list are categorized as non-premium. Depending on whether your targeted university or college is on the premium list or not, you may end up with better education loan terms. For instance, if your targeted education institution is on Bank of Baroda's premium list, the maximum loan available to you is 1.5 crores. However, if your institute is not on this list, the maximum amount decreases to 60 lakhs. You need not worry though, as there is a high likelihood that your chosen institution will be premium, given that it includes more than 400 institutions. The loan amount you receive covers various expenses such as tuition fees, accommodation costs, examination fees, charges for laboratory or library usage, and any other institute-related deposits, travel expenses, cost of living, insurance premiums, etc. Moving on, to be eligible for an education loan, you need to ensure that your chosen program is a degree-generating program with good job prospects in the future. You should have an admit letter from a reputed university or college abroad, preferably from the premium institute list. You should have taken all the necessary tests like IELTS, GRE, GMAT, or any other that aligns with your program and institute. When it comes to interest rates for education loans from the Bank of Baroda, they are floating in nature, meaning that they can change over time. Currently, students attending premium institutes on the list can secure a loan at the rate of 9.7%. However, for non-premium institutions on the list, the interest rate stands at 10.2%. Here's the catch. There is no interest rate concession for female applicants at premium institutes. However, for non-premium institutions, female applicants can avail a discount of 0.2%, reducing the interest rate to 10% exclusively for them. There are some charges that you will have to pay during the process of securing an education loan, including the processing fees, which is 10,000 rupees plus GST. If you are admitted to a premium institution, then you can get a refund for this processing fees. And this happens when you take the first disbursement. A non-refundable lump sum amount of 8,500 rupees per property plus taxes is taken upfront in case of all education loan accounts for advocate and valuation charges, wherever the property is mortgaged. There is no margin money that you need to show in case of premium institutes. However, in the case of non-premium institutes, you have to show at least 10% of the total cost as margin money. To obtain an education loan from the Bank of Baroda, you need to produce necessary documents. Here is the list of documents that you will need. Number 1, KYC documents of the applicant and the co-applicant, past academic records, proof of admission statement, cost of study, income proof for co-applicant if it is applicable, bank account statements for the last 6 months, and property documents. Now, this is just a general list of documents and can vary depending on your requirements and your application. The process of starting a loan application with the Bank of Baroda is quite simple. All you need to do is to follow these steps. Begin by visiting GyanDhan website or using the loan eligibility form mentioned in the description box below. This will determine if you meet the criteria for a Bank of Baroda abroad education loan. After this, one of GyanDhan's education loan counselors will reach out to you and guide you through the education loan process. They will also provide you with a tailored document checklist. You need to collect and submit all required documents from the checklist, including academic and financial documents. Ensure that they are accurate and meet the bank's requirements. Bank of Baroda will verify your application involving credit checks, admission details, financials, and other relevant information. Once everything is done from the bank's end, you will get a loan approval notification with the approved amount on which you can sign your agreement. This will finalize the process and get the required amount disbursed whenever you want. The tuition fees is disbursed directly to the institute. And any living expenses, if you've chosen to stay in the institute's accommodation, will be disbursed directly to your hostel. In case your accommodation is off campus, then the required money is directly disbursed to the concerned party after verifying the bona fides of the same. The other remaining money can be disbursed to your desired account. The repayment period for the education loan you secure from Bank of Baroda can extend up to 15 years, and this excludes the course period plus 1 year, which is your moratorium period. Finally, how can GyanDhan assist you in obtaining an education loan from Bank of Baroda? Well, we have been partners with Bank of Baroda for the past 8 years, cultivating strong relationships with the lender. When processing your application, we make sure to leverage this relationship, and this assures that you have the best experience possible. We help you negotiate your loan terms, collect and submit loan documents using our customized checklist. We also streamline your process and we complete it within 15 to 20 days compared to 30 to 45 days that it may take if you approach the bank directly. With a track record of disbursing more than 5,000 crores in education loans and assisting thousands of students, our industry experience is used to anticipate and mitigate professional issues that could negatively affect and impact your loan application. This ultimately increases your chances of loan approval. That's it for this video. I hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with other study abroad aspirants. Comment down any additional questions you may have, and we will answer those and try to cover them in the upcoming videos.